5 Pro Tips on Putting Together a Creative for a Photo Shoot. Want to explore your favorite ideas on set and build your best portfolio? Try these 5 effective tips for putting together a creative before your next photo shoot. When you are working for a client, it's your job to interpret their creative ideas and bring them to life. However, as an artist yourself, it's equally important that you exercise your own personal ideas as well. A creative is a personal project meant for you to experiment with new ideas to help expand and diversify your portfolio. Putting together a creative helps you push yourself to try new things, whether that be a new style of lighting, shooting in different locations, or new propping techniques. 5 Pro Tips on Putting Together a Creative. Tip number 1, start with a mood board. Mood boards are one of the greatest tools you can utilize when pursuing any creative project. Typically made up of an arrangement of images, materials, colors, or text, a mood board serves as the backbone for your project. Tip number 2, preparation is key, so plan ahead. Scrambling to pull something together within a week's time is never easy. It's always beneficial to allow yourself some buffer time to knead out all your details well in advance. Tip number 3, source a team of collaborators. Putting together a creative isn't just a great way to build your portfolio. It's also the perfect opportunity to collaborate with other talented artists, building your network. Doing a fashion or portrait creative? Don't hesitate to reach out to makeup artists and wardrobe stylists with your concept and/or portfolio. If there are any modeling agencies in your city, contact them and request a new face package. Doing a food or still life creative? Try and contact a food or prop stylist. Even if they don't have much experience, it's a great opportunity to experiment your craft with each other while you're putting together a creative. Tip number 4, choosing a location, on location or in studio. Shooting in a studio. If you're shooting in studio, there are a few things you should consider first before booking. Does it come with equipment, or do you need your own? Shooting on location. If you decide to shoot on location, a pro tip would be to do a location scout prior to shooting. Familiarize yourself with the areas you'd like to shoot in, pay attention to where the light hits and when, and ensure whether or not the location you're shooting at requires a permit. Tip number 5, plan out your shots and create a shoot schedule. Creating a schedule when you are putting together a creative is a massive help. A schedule will keep you and your team organized and ensure you stay on track. And definitely don't forget to have fun. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.